We're going to build the gallery page next, and in this page we're going to use some simple table formatting to get all of our elements in place, and we're going to modify some of the behaviors to be a little more intuitive. Now we're going to also create a pop-up window using for our video, and when we do that, I want you to be aware that sometimes people will have problems with pop-up, and those are pop-ups that come up automatically. Normally if you click on the link, you are choosing to open a pop-up, so the system will allow it to pass through. So let's open up the gallery page and add some code. Alright, let's go ahead and highlight all of the content there, and let's add a little bit of text of our own. Handcrafted. I'm going to put 2 N's on collection. This way you can see how the system will pick up spell checking. Now Shift F7 is a shortcut. You can also go to text, check spelling. Okay, and it picked up that as a misspelling here. So we'll say change. Okay, and there we go. Pick that up. I'm just going to add the text, click for a larger image, and we'll add a table. So just hit the table icon. 1 row, 2 columns, and let's add about 5 pixels of padding. There we are. And let's open up our images here so we can drag those in. So we'll go to Gallery Images. Now, down here we have some thumbnails here. So just click and drag these thumbnails in. Actually, I'm going to move this thumbnail down, and I want a green one in front of that, so we'll choose this green. Okay, I'm just going to add one and then hit enter. Okay, we got the orange twist. There we go, hit enter. If you get too many spaces, you can hit delete. Okay, we got the thumb 2 handle, and then we also have the thumb orange video. All right. And then over here in this major area, you notice that if I type something, you can see it's right here in the center. So I don't like that. I want both of those to be at the top. So I'll select TD to select that cell. And over here on the vertical alignment, I'm going to choose top. Okay, again over here, TD, choose top. All right, and I'm going to add the large blue triangle image. Okay, so I'm going to rename this to large. Over here, I'll give it an ID name. Okay, it just makes it a little bit easier when we're adding our rollover effects, our behaviors. So let's add those behaviors now. I'll just tighten this up a little bit. We'll go down to swap image, and large is going to be the image that we're going to switch out. We're going to switch it out with the large green curve. And I do not want to restore images on a mouse out. So we'll just hit OK. And I also don't want to use a mouse over. I would much rather use a on click. So we'll come up here to on click. There we go. Nice and neat. So we'll add the blue to this. Okay, large image. Going to go to the blue. No mouse out. Set this to on click. So we want the users to actually click on these images, these thumbnails. If they don't, then they may not click on that bottom one, which is the video. Okay, and this is going to be the orange twist. No restore. On click. All right, this is the red handled one. Let's see, there it is. Turn off that, and again set this to on click. All right. Lastly, we'll come back and add the graphic or the rollover effect for this video. It'll actually be a pop-up window. So we'll do that in one step here. So we'll go ahead and in the next lesson create the video file and bring in an FLV file, and then we'll wrap this up. So let's go ahead and hit save on this file, and we'll wrap the following file with this.